Oh my God! He lay in the sun with his body covered in wounds. What happened to the dog? The body is covered with wounds. Skinny, eyes unfocused. The dog is very gentle, does not let me get close or bite me. The dog was happy to see food from me. Must be very hungry. I will take the dog to the doctor. Calm down. Look at that pitiful face. The dog wants to sleep for a while. She will take care of the dog and give it a complete health check. Take a shower. Take a shower. The dog is very weak. Need injections and supplements immediately. Welcome to your new home with us.